Hello friends, this is Priyanka and today we will be doing some Warli art. Yes, this form of art is very famous in India and also in other parts of the world, but it was created by the tribal people of Maharashtra, India. And I have found it to be very fascinating because it does not have a lot of complex designs in it, yet the depiction, it is so simple, and you can see it just serves the purpose. You can get what the image, the art is trying to tell you, whether it is a festive season or if it is a celebration of some sort. The keynote over here is that it only uses a set of basic geometric shapes like a circle, triangle, square, and yet the simplicity of it says it all. You won't have any difficulty understanding what is going on. It looks very easy, and I just found it very interesting, but there are a couple of rules that you should follow. I did a bit of research on this, and it's been around since the 10th century. There were no records before the 70s that could be found, but I just thought it would be so fascinating to share with you its history. So it's really interesting. It's such a beautiful form of art, so why not research and learn something about such an ancient art form. Like, for example, the circle and the triangle, they come from their observation of nature. The circle represents sun and the moon, while the triangle depicts mountains and the trees. Not only that, but also, like as you see here, the human body particularly is made up of two triangles. Now, if you want to show a male form, the upper triangle, which depicts the torso, would be bigger. However, the lower triangle, if that is bigger, then that means it's the image of a woman. So there are many small such details that makes this art quite, if you want to be like really precise, it will complicate it. But yes, these are the small rules which makes it so beautiful, I would say. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want more such videos, please do like, share and subscribe. And I would love to see your comments if you want more such artwork. So please just leave your comments. And thank you so much for watching. Stay safe. Bye bye.